everybody? This is gonna be my second video on YouTube. So today we're gonna be working on a 370Z Nismo 2017, I believe. Homie Andres brought it in. He told me he wanted to install some long tube headers, some ISR long tube headers, and Greddy exhaust. Single exit Greddy exhaust. I actually got lucky to get this one. Got it like in 3 days. 3 days. There was only like 2 available, and then he got some ISR long tube headers. Let me show y'all real quick. Some ISR long tube headers. ISR long tube headers right here. Look good. So we're gonna be working on that, and yeah, I'm just letting the car get a little cold because he drove it over here. He's on open headers, but yeah, so the car is really hot right now. This car was stopped for a long time. He had it in his house, but here it is, white. It's gonna be admin tune. This is his Instagram right here, y'all can follow him. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Very nice. Looking towards getting one. Maybe this year. Trying to get one, but manual, not automatic. But yeah, let's see. Let me get everything set up, all the tools and everything, and so I can start working on it. And yeah. All right, so we're gonna start removing some stuff before we jack up the car. All right, so oh, this is hot. This is hot. We're gonna remove this just because. Well, let me get a 10. This is the 10. A flathead. So I already removed that stalker box right here. And remove this clip. I didn't record over there. What else we need to remove? There's no test pipes, no nothing. We need to remove that shield. 1, 2, 3. 3 tenths. I hate removing those shields. Right now it's hot because you barely burned it in, so let's see if it's right here. There's no space at all, but we're gonna remove some lines and stuff like that. Okay. So the shield is off. I mean, it came right off. I guess there's space. Now on the other side ain't gonna be no space at all. But we're gonna figure it out. By the way, it's 4 tenths on the shields on this 2017. We're gonna take this off. We're gonna disconnect this. We're not gonna disconnect this one. I'm just gonna try to put it to the side or something. Normally, if it's my car, I disconnect it and I put some new front on it, but I don't think I'm gonna have to do that. But yeah. So it's gonna be 14s. It's gonna be 2 6. It's gonna be 6 of those. I'm gonna try to work it out with this. If not, I'm gonna go to the backyard and look for some tools. It's just the header is hot. I'm gonna leave that for last. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use the other one. It's because this is too long, but I have some tools in the backyard. I have to go look for them. I'll try it with this. See? Because it's too little. I'm gonna go look for some tools in the backyard. So I found one. Another 14. But I'm gonna start recording like this now. I'm not gonna have it on my head. It's too goddamn hot. I have it on the head right now. See right there. Can see so some are gonna come out complete like that, and then just take them off and then we'll put it back in there. 3 took one out, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. They're all loosened up already. And For the other side, I'm gonna put the camera on my forehead. I got it. I got it. So I just stick this out and then you disconnect from right here. Take it out from there. You can see it's off. And I'll pick up the car in a bit whenever I'm done with the other side. Let me set up the camera on my head and we can continue with the other one. So now for this side, for the driver's side, I'm gonna have to make some space here. Like I told you, I'll take this off whenever it's my cars, but it's not my car, so can't take that off. You should take the Freon off and put some on later, whatever. But take these two bolts, this off, that one. Should I make this go back and forward? Take this bolt off, take the one over there off, so this harness could loosen that up. And then I'm gonna take this one off so this could pick up a bit. And then try to stick my hand inside there and take the shield off. Take the 4/10, take the bolts, the 4/10 bolts. And yeah, well, let me start working on all this, and I'll get back to you whenever I take all that out and then start getting to the shield. So I took the shield off through the top. I was just having trouble with one bolt, but I gotta figure it out. I did end up taking this line off. I'll put some Freon after I'm done everything in the car. But right now what I'm gonna do is I'll take the header off and we'll be set to install the new ones. So much different. But yeah, let me put the GoPro on my head so y'all can see. As much I try not to lose either the 14 or the 10, I always lose them. Now I'm looking for the 14. This is a 10, but I'm not using this one. But as much I try not to lose the 14 or the 10. Jesus, bro. Look, where's it at? Look, where's it at? Okay, so I took all the bolts out, headers, loosers come out, so I gotta pick up the car and do that. Two last ones, this one on top and the one on the bottom. I'll take it off with this one. Just stick my hand inside there. And took it out with this one, little one. And then the other ones, I took it out with this. And then the first one at the bottom, I have to do it by hand. So check it out with this one. Probably if you have another one like this, but this is longer, and you know, it probably does fit. But since this one's small, it didn't. But yeah, do that. And I'm gonna pick up the car right now and put it on jack stands and check out the headers and put the other ones in. Don't forget to disconnect the O2 sensor from the top. Right, took this one off. I gotta take the other one off. This is easy because there's no exhaust, no cats, no test pipes, nothing. He already took all that off, so I'm just taking the header off and installing his whole exhaust. Yeah, ISR long tube headers with Greddy single exit. So let me jack up the car and yeah, I'll record it. So like I told you before, the bolts and studs came together, so you have to move them. So I'm gonna put one on this corner, then with the bottom, and then the middle one I'm gonna do that one right there, this one, and then I'm gonna do that one. Could do this one and that one, but much easier would be, I think, this one and that one, I think. But no, incorrect. I think I'm gonna do that one and this one. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one and that one. So I'm gonna have to remove this one right here. You put it in there, and then you gotta take that out. It'll come off. So I already put these two studs right here. I'm putting this one on right now. So I'll do that, and then the other one I'm gonna put it on top of here. Another one. This one was right here, but I had to move it much easier right here, and then put the other one right there. So yeah. And here's the owner. You're the owner?
Almost there. Oh, when I finish paying it off.
Well, you're the owner of this car?
Hell yeah.
What are you gonna do to it?
Boost it and gap all the... Alright.
So I put this one on already. If you're gonna do it alone, you can just grab it and put a bolt on this one. If you have somebody on top, just let somebody help you up there and put let whoever helps you put the bolt on one of the studs, and that's about it. And then it'll hold on, and then you can go up there and start putting all the bolts and start tightening them up and everything, you know. See this, you come here, use that right there. You do the other one. And then you do the bottom one that goes right here. And then you leave this one right here. And then there's one on the last one, but I have to look for the bolt somewhere around here or over there. Oh, it's probably over here. It's right here. You throw it into the last one over here. There you go. Ahí está. You just tighten that up, and yeah. Okay, passenger headers installed. Now we're gonna go to the driver's side. Basically, tied up all the bolts good and everything. Put the gasket right. and you'll be good to go. Now we're gonna do this side. Gotta put the studs on this one, just like I did on that side, same thing. Move them around, and yeah, that's about it. Let me do that, and then I'll show you once it's installed. So driver header is in. This bolt right here, what I do is I stick my hand through here, and I just do it like that, like slowly, you know. No, that's my way, but if you have another way to do it, that's y'all. But this is the way that I do it. I take my time, I turn it, you know. My cousin's here, so he decided to help me. He's the one doing it on top. But yeah, let me finish doing this and get back to you. So, ¿qué hiciste ahí? ¿Cuál es el de en medio? ¿Hiciste el de en medio?
No, este.
¿Ah? ¿Y cómo lo trabaste?
Sí.
¿Con esa llave larga?
Sí.
Well, you need one of those for the middle one, I guess. But yeah, now we just need the other one. The other ones are easy. We're gonna do it with the gun. Oh, whatever. I don't know how he's gonna do it, but I would have done it with the gun. But yeah.
It's easy.
We are going to install the Wi-Fi right now. No, como me la había dado. Dale, güey. Estos son. Mete uno ahí. This is Greddy Wi-Fi, and then we're gonna do the single exit. Right now we're connecting the O2 extensions. Whenever you do them, make sure you put a zip tie so it won't touch the header and gonna burn your O2 extensions. But yeah, now we're gonna do the other side, same thing. We already put the white pipe, and then we're gonna put the exhaust. We might gonna have to take this off again just because we gotta push it down a bit, but it should be good. Put the exhaust, and then I'm gonna put everything back on and show you a video whenever the car's on and everything. Yeah, there. Header is on. Nice, our headers. Greddy Wi-Fi Ready single exit. You ready, my boy?
Yeah. Ready to start gapping.
Beto. Beto.
Let me go gap a Corolla.
Dale pues. We better bring it down.
Sí, le corre un Corolla,
¿No hay tornillos abajo de la llanta?
No. Corolla o...
Subirlo un poquito más.
Mejor porque ahí les compra...
Ahí está, bájalo lento. Ready for the admin tune.
Puro United States, papá.
Puta.
¡Hey! ¡Inválido!
Turn it on.
Mensaje no enviado,
¿Dónde están las llaves, vos?
Ahí está, ¿dónde está? ¿Se levantó?
Prendelo. Mira que está en atrás. Hey, espérate. Everything's connected. La galinga, poner la luz aquí, poner la luz. Dale.